Hi guys, in this video you will see cowrie shell jewelry is a type of adornment made using cowrie shells, small shiny shells that were historically used as currency, ornaments and spiritual items across various cultures, especially in Africa, Asia and the Pacific Islands. Cowrie shell jewelry is made using smooth, glossy shells that have a natural oval shape with a slit-like opening on one side. These shells are typically white, cream, or light brown, sometimes with natural spots or patterns. The jewelry often has a coastal organic feel and is associated with earthy and traditional styles. It can range from delicate and minimalist to bold and decorative. The shells are usually polished and strung together or attached to different materials like threads, cords, or metals to create various pieces. This type of jewelry has a timeless, natural aesthetic that blends well with both casual and traditional attire. Cowrie shell jewelry carries a natural elegance characterized by the unique glossy surface of the shells and their curved symmetrical form. The shells are often arranged in repeating patterns or used as singular focal points in a piece. Their soft, ocean-toned hues give the jewelry a soothing, earthy look, making it suitable for both everyday wear and special occasions. The texture of the cowrie shell is smooth and cool to the touch, and when worn, the pieces often evoke a sense of calmness and closeness to nature. The sound of a shell clinking gently against each other adds a subtle, pleasing rhythm when the jewelry moves, whether worn as a necklace resting lightly on the collarbone, a bracelet encircling the wrist, or an anklet brushing the ankle. Cowrie shell brings a touch of the sea and tradition to